New pickup in from Kith. This was from the Monday program, the pallet, where they drop like, I think like 10 hoodies, 10 or 15 colored hoodies for the A6 pallet. This is from the Monday program. Here's the Monday program. Kith bag right there. This one is a size medium. Magma colorway, Williams 3 hoodie. Here is the colorway. The Magma looks more like a burgundy in person. But yeah, here is the hoodie. Here's the tags. Size medium. Retail was $165. Have all the tags right here. From Kith. Yeah, that's a nice little touch. Yeah, really nice colorway, really feeling this color. Here is the tag, Kith, size medium. You have a terry cloth, made in China. China tag right there. But yeah, very, very pricey, $165 for a hoodie. But it's Kith quality. So you get what you pay for. And yeah, let me know if you guys picked up these hoodies and whatnot. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe for more videos. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.